That's a big chicken. Alright, hello there. I wanted to do a quick video on my wicking beds. As you can pretty much tell, they pretty much have just died off. If you remember this bed, it had still some skeletons left here, some beans in it. It had watermelon in it, and it had cucumbers, which we were trellising up into this trellis up here. The beans died first. Actually, there's a bean right there, dried out, hanging, that I missed. And then I said, okay, beans went. Then the cucumbers started dying. It is weird how they died. They died one by one. They pretty much started here and worked their way around. You can see the remnants of one here. This is pretty much the end of it. I don't know what happened to the beans. I'm pretty sure the cucumbers got a disease, and that pretty much wiped them out. And in the middle of all this, we're still growing this watermelon. It's not looking great, but we are still growing this watermelon. There's one I had propped up on a milk crate. I don't know if you can see it real well, but yesterday it split, which sucked. And then today when I came out here, it looks like that. That's how freaking hot it is out here. That's cooked watermelon. It's probably fermented too. So I've come back in. I've back planted these beans, which are yard longs. They're doing okay, but I wouldn't say they're doing great. And you know, this is not a failure. You know, the failure on my part is probably not knowing how to plant it. These obviously work, but this summer really wiped these things out. Let's go out here and look at the other one we got. Look at all my dove. Yeah. Pretty much same thing in here. You can see the cucumbers have all died. This is a bean plant right here that's actually trying to get by. There's more watermelons. You can see they're growing. They're going up into the trellis. The watermelons don't seem to be too affected. And actually right down in here is another cucumber plant that's still plugging along. I can't see where it goes, but yeah. You know, I think I got about 40 or 50 cucumbers out of these two beds, which is pretty good. I got a couple meals of beans out of it. I'm getting watermelons. It's the cutest dang watermelon you ever did see right there. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I think I got some more growing up here in the great trellis, which is kind of cool, actually. Let's see. Let's look up here. Oh, yeah. So there's a little watermelon. Let's see. This is cool. I like this. There's another one. Pretty good size. I'd say it's about 16 inches long. It's getting there. And then if you come over here, there's a monster watermelon up there. That's like one you'd buy in the store, you know. So we're still getting watermelons. The watermelon is looking pretty tired though. And like I said, it's not a complete failure. It's not. I wanted more out of it this summer, and I'm gonna keep trying with it. And then I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back. You guys remember our clone tomatoes? Here they are. They're growing out here. They're doing fine. I'm gonna put some of those in there. I got these loofah sponges, which would be really cool to grow up in that trellis. And we're gonna keep plugging away at it. But I really expected more out of this summer, and I think part of it's my fault because this is my first year using wicking beds, and part of it is these cucumbers getting some kind of disease. Maybe we try growing some more disease-resistant cucumbers, and then we're getting some watermelons out of here. So You can see, man, these things just, it's like one day they were fine. It's like the next day somebody cut the vine and they died. And so pretty sure it's some kind of disease. The Armenian cucumbers, I don't know if you can see that, still growing fine. And then I also grew, I don't know how it happened, I ended up with 1 yard long bean in this whole deal. And there's a couple in here. I'm probably going to take these. I let them dry because there wasn't really enough to make a meal. There's another batch of them right there. I think the vine is still growing up in here. You can't really see it. But I'm going to take these. And all you do with these, let's see. Crack it open. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Crack it open. Look at there. There it is. There's a seed. I'm going to take these seeds and back plant them in here. And here's another seed. Just dropped it. Oh well. And we're going to keep plugging along. So, like I said, the wicking bed's not a total failure. This is the funkiest looking Armenian. It's like it ran out of water halfway through. But yeah, not a total fail, but not a total success. We'll see what happens. I'm going to keep plugging away though. So, you guys have a good evening. This has been Aaron from Booyah Farms.